Hi, this is Nandakishore Rajnala. Welcome to another episode of Innovation Overdrive, a destination for inspirational content serving technology progresses. If you are a digital commerce practitioner or a digital innovation enthusiast, this is the place to be. Check out the online videos and guest interviews. Subscribe to the channel and get to participate in high-impact community debates. Augmented reality is not new. For the past decade, consumers have been exposed to a multitude of offerings that leverage AR, mostly through a mobile device. Pokemon Go being one example. More closer home in the world of retail has been the virtual trying out of clothes and jewelry through AR. In this video, we shall cover the two key ingredients needed for creating an augmented reality magic pill for retailers. These will accelerate your efforts or help launch things faster in your AR journey. Number one, convert the catalog of products that you sell into highly realistic 3D models. This is a must-do. Number two, build coalitions with search and technology leaders such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Meta. This is necessary to survive and play the long-term game. You may have noticed that I mentioned Meta. Outside of Facebook ad partnerships, Meta's metaverse may look jaded in the short term, but there is a real possibility of them reaping rewards in the longer term. Metaverse helps diversify VR through AR and vice versa. Let me know if you want me to make a video on why so. The magic pill with its two key ingredients has been derived by studying Ikea, the pioneer, if we may call them, in this retail augmented reality space. Let's deep dive into these two ingredients. First, let's explore Ikea's augmented reality universe. But even before that, let's quickly answer this question. Why do we need augmented reality as a separate or an integrated customer experience for shoppers? If you're a retailer selling products to customers for use in their homes, then give this a thought. If the products you are selling satiate two powerful sentiments of your target customer, taste and ego, then you better build a compelling AR offering for them as part of your shopping experience. AR is still a modern technology for a good old ancient eyes. It will go a long way in attracting these customers to buy from you. Why taste? Now, there is one group of customers who buy something from you because they think they like it. And then later they figure out where to put it to use in their homes. Mostly these products are neglected, abused, and die a slow, irrelevant death in the customers' homes. Augmented reality does not work for such customers. Instead, if you serve the type of customer who thinks, imagines, and creates stories in the head on how the product fits in her world before even buying it, that is, she having a taste, then such customers will appreciate AR in their lives. Why ego? Customers with a strong ego go to lengths for buying a product with extreme diligence, as their public reputation, as reflected through their material purchase, is at stake. They create stories in their heads about how their lives have been enhanced because of their ownership of a specific product. They have a compelling need to brag about their purchase until the shine weans off. AR is that shiny object with good intentions. Now back to Ikea. Ikea literally created what is widely known in marketing and branding circles as the Ikea effect. So what does it mean? Consumers place a higher value on Ikea products over pre-built products of the same design. Ikea has achieved this customer faith by offering personalized experiences and allowing the customers to have a sense of ownership of the product as if they built it with their own two hands. Perhaps Nordic furniture names for a company largely operating from Netherlands may have also something to do with it. It all started in 2017 with the launch of an AR experience called Ikea Place. On the day of its release, Apple CEO Tim Cook touted Ikea Place as the future of shopping. Imagine being able to visualize how a piece of furniture would look in your living room before you even purchase it. That's exactly what Ikea Place offers to its customers. It's an augmented reality app that allows you to place virtual furniture in your real-world environment, giving you an idea of how it would look and fit in your space. Ikea Place quickly gained popularity among customers. All you need to do is download the app on your smartphone, scan the floor where you want to place the furniture, and select the product you want to see. The app then generates a 3D image of the product, which you can move and adjust to fit in your space. But what technology drives this app? It's powered by Apple's AR kit, which uses the iPhone's camera and sensors to create a 3D model of your environment. The app then places the virtual furniture in your environment in real time, allowing you to see how it would look from different angles. So, what's the business value for IKEA in offering this app? Well, for one, it reduces the number of returns from customers who buy furniture online and then realize that it does not fit into their space. With IKEA, customers can be sure that the furniture they purchase will fit perfectly in their space. Additionally, the app enhances the customer experience, making it easier and more fun to shop for furniture. In conclusion, IKEA Place is a game changer for the furniture industry. It's an innovative technology that offers customers a unique shopping experience and helps them make informed decisions about their purchases. Fast forward to recent times, IKEA took AR a step further with the launch of IKEA Creative with a K. Creative can scan the rooms of your house using LiDAR and build a complete 3D replica of them. The customers can then remove their existing furniture and replace them with new IKEA Symphonisk speakers, Ectot sofas, and other products. This gives a much better understanding of how the products look in their home. The scanning is done using Creative Scene Scanner, which uses LiDAR if available on a person's iPhone. It also works on iPhones or iPads without LiDAR, but having LiDAR allows for more spatial details to be captured and rendered, making things more realistic. IKEA Creative was developed by a Silicon Valley AI team, Geomagical Labs, which later got acquired in 2020 by Inca Group, a holding company managing a complex chain of subsidiaries that run IKEA. Quoting a TechCrunch article, the capabilities are similar to the AI and computer vision technologies used by self-driving cars. Neural networks recognize the objects and geometry of indoor spaces. Stereo vision algorithms see in 3D combined with computational photography algorithms and mixed reality 3D graphics. For the interior designer in you, IKEA offers about 50 3D showrooms to design your own space. Here a customer can browse products from the IKEA catalog and try out products virtually in 3D settings. Given the customer-facing simplicity of the two IKEA offerings, many competitors have also pursued this path, not to fall behind. Similar to IKEA Place, Amazon's View in Your Room is an augmented reality feature available on the Amazon mobile app. It allows customers to preview how products would look in their own space before making a purchase. According to Lowe's, a home improvement retailer, every year visualization barriers and a lack of design assistance contribute to the stalling of more than $70 billion in home improvement projects. To help with that, Lowe's introduced View in Your Space as an augmented reality tool. Designed for Android using AR core technology, it shows what products will look like in a customer's home before they buy them. Lowe's research shows that customers take several weeks to research in big ticket purchases like grills and patio furniture. Lowe's claims that with View in your store, customers can place orders with the confidence that it will not only fit but also match its surroundings. Now, beyond the marketing hype, you get a hint here as to how IKEA and other retailers rely on three-dimensional 3D models of their products to make augmented reality a possibility. It is one of the key ingredients of the AR magic pill. We will now cover it in more detail. If you love what you are seeing, consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button and press the notification bell icon. Share your comments below and continue the discussion on Discord. IKEA has a vast database of realistic 3D models of almost every single item sold by the company. IKEA's design teams create the 3D models as and when new products are introduced. Their debut was way back in 2006 when they created the first computer-generated product image, the Bertil chair. Today, the majority of their product catalog is put together using photorealistic product models instead of real photographs. To work with the app, each model has to be resized to a file size less than 1.5 megabytes while ensuring that the details and texture of the model are not compromised, which could destroy the realistic illusion created. 3D models of products are necessary for creating augmented reality experiences like IKEA Creative and Ikea Place. These models are used to create digital versions of the products that can be placed in a user's environment using AR technology. The 3D models are also used to ensure that the digital versions of the products are accurate and realistic, with a high level of accuracy in placing digital furniture in a user's environment. Overall, using 3D images in AR experiences can enhance the realism, interactivity, and engagement of the experience, while also providing customers with a better visualization of products and increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Now that you're hopefully convinced that creating 3D models is a key ingredient of the AR magic pill, what can you as a retailer do to accelerate your AR journey in case you haven't started it yet? For this, we take recourse in AI, especially the latest developments in AI that has been sprouting since 2022. How can AI accelerate the design and development of 3D models of product images? AI algorithms can be used to produce 3D models that are more accurate and realistic than those created manually, leading to more effective and cost-efficient design and development processes. AI-generated art has gained notoriety lately, and new AI models are being developed to generate 3D model designs. There are also AI tools for 3D modeling that can help accelerate the design process, such as dynamic neural radiance fields, NERF, which use deep learning to generate 3D models from multiple 2D images of the same subject from different angles. AI can also be used to reshape generative 3D design, breaking down the limits to creativity and minimizing human error. Overall, AI capabilities are helping to accelerate the design and development of 3D models of product images, making the process more efficient, cost-effective, and accurate. There are several AI tools available for creating 3D models of product images that retailers can use. Hexa is a startup that uses AI to help retailers turn their online inventory into 3D renders, Shoppers can view them in 360 degrees or try them on. XR can reconstruct a single two-dimensional image or a set of low-quality 2D images into a high-fidelity 3D asset. To automate elements of its workflow, the team uses dozens of AI algorithms that were developed using the PyTorch deep learning framework and run on NVIDIA Tensor Core GPUs in the cloud. Adobe has released a tool called Project Sunrise that allows marketing teams to generate fresh variations of images from a three-dimensional model of products such as furniture. While primarily meant for generating marketing assets, they can be used to create showroom scenes in AR for interior design. The new Adobe system automates many of the tasks that 3D artists would typically perform, such as lighting and camera placement. Design Hubs is a 3D visualization software that provides personalized product recommendations based on data and artificial intelligence. For 3D visual merchandising, Design Hubs offers a wide range of features and avoid the need to recreate 3D models from scratch. Modelry has a self-service tool for 3D modeling that gives everything needed to deliver online shopping experiences. 3dfi.ai uses artificial intelligence to create high-quality 3D models from just a text prompt or as little as a single image. AI-powered 3D modeling tools differ from traditional 3D modeling tools in a couple of ways. First, AI algorithms can produce 3D models that are more accurate and realistic than those created manually, which can lead to more effective and cost-efficient design systems. Second, AI-powered 3D modeling tools can automate the image generation process, streamline workflows, and reduce the time and effort required to create 3D models. Third, AI-powered 3D modeling tools can generate more complex and detailed models than traditional 3D modeling tools, which can open up new possibilities for designers, engineers, and artists. Now, we come to the second key ingredient in the magic pill for AR, namely coalitions. This is not a solo play. Don't reinvent the wheel with technology. Build coalitions to be future ready. Coalitions can be built by retailers with established players, consortium of like-minded companies, and even with startups that are active in this space. Ikea has joined hands with an organization called Metaverse Standards Forum to develop interoperability standards needed to achieve an open metaverse. Its founding members include Meta, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Adobe, to name a few. More recently, Ikea also integrated its entire product catalog into Google Search. This allows customers to view more than 10,000 IKEA products in 3D and AR directly through Google Search. Previously, AR viewing of 3D models of IKEA furniture was only available through the IKEA Place app. You could make a purchase decision without having to visit an IKEA store. This is important. With more distribution of product assets through widely used search platforms, the opportunity to better the models and hence the AR experience increases. Retailers will get to understand what is working versus not. Here is another example of a coalition. IKEA has turned decluttering into a game with a new augmented reality escape room on Snapchat. Users get to organize items with IKEA's products. The entire experience takes place in a model of a bedroom that can be superimposed on a flat surface using a smartphone camera. Users can record their solution to the puzzle and share it with friends on Snapchat. Now, how does it work if you are a small-time retailer or e-commerce player? Say, for example, a D2C e-commerce brand selling via a platform like Shopify. Shopify AR provides an accessible toolkit for businesses to create their own AR experiences, including a services marketplace of 3D modeling experts who can help create 3D models of products. Shopify data shows that merchants who add 3D content to their stores see on an average a 94% conversion lift. Likewise, if you are a seller leveraging Amazon Marketplace as a platform to sell, make sure you leverage their AR offerings to the best extent possible. As mentioned earlier, Amazon has an AR view feature that allows customers to see how products would look like in their homes before making a purchase. The feature uses AR technology to overlay 3D models of products onto real-world environments, allowing customers to see how products would look like in their homes at scale. Amazon also has a service called Amazon Sumerian, which allows businesses to create and publish AR and VR applications without requiring specialized programming or 3D graphics expertise. We have now come to the end of this video. We looked at the power of AR in creating engaging customer experiences and in turn allowing for better engagement, thereby resulting in more sales. We looked at the two key ingredients of the magic pill: 3D models and coalitions. Both are needed for creating a winning AR experience. So, how good is the augmented reality story? Now, the data is tough to get from the existing players, but their continued investment in augmented reality compared to any other new tech in the industry seems to indicate that it is working, either to keep customers engaged or perhaps to even generate sales. Here are some data points to consider. Per Shopify, 66% of consumers are interested in using AR for help when making purchasing decisions. By 2025, nearly 75% of the global population and almost all smartphone users will be frequent AR users. Adloyd, a company that uses AR, has helped some customers increase sales conversion from online channels up to 200%. AR technology has been shown to convince customers to make more purchases after they test products with AR. Facebook's AR partner Vertebrae conducted research that showed that shops that utilized AR technology during the COVID-19 outbreak saw a 19% boost in customer interaction. Also, client conversion rates improved by 90% for customers that utilized AR compared to those who did not. Now, this is worth thinking about. As per some studies, AR also offloads a significant amount of the creative information processing to the enabling technology, thereby increasing the customer's capacity for engagement, a precious commodity in today's world. IKEA's very own augmented reality technology could have significant implications for the furniture industry. By allowing customers to see how furniture looks in their homes before making a purchase, IKEA could reduce returns and increase customer satisfaction. So this is it, friends. A. Accelerate your 3D modeling of products. B. Build coalitions with others in the industry, including technology innovators, to accelerate your time to market with a compelling AR offering. C. Collect data. Don't forget to measure the efficacy of your offerings by measuring outcomes. See you soon in another episode. Namaste.